day 7 and potentially my last day. I have 20 kilometers I can be out of here, but it's going over 3 passes back to back to back, which is supposed to be incredibly beautiful, but also it's going to be very difficult. But it rained all night, which is awesome. I'm like super stoked. It's like still spitting, but I think it's gonna go away. It's amazing. With rain comes no more smoke. Look how clear and beautiful it is. I mean, the clouds are still here, but gonna get over to the highest pass, Michelle Lakes Pass, and it's gonna be clear and perfect. Well, I'm going up to Pinto Pass, the first of 3 passes today, all of which are enormous. The largest being Michelle Lakes Pass, which is the highest point of the Great Divide Trail. Oh, I mean, I'd rather have overcast than smoke, so this is pretty amazing. Look at this giant rock wall too. Oh, life can't get any better. Here we go, top of Pinto Pass. This little cairn to mark the top. Oh yeah. Look at this beauty. I'm taking a wild guess. That way. Over that little mini slope is where I'm going. But I don't actually know. That's amazing. Look how beautiful it is. The fog is rolling in heavy. It's pretty cool. It's filling up the valleys. Oh, it just opened up the tops of these mountains. Incredible. Well, it's raining, so my dream of a clear blue sky by noon is definitely not going to happen. But with rain comes less mosquitoes, because mosquitoes don't like rain, so there's a bonus. And I get to finally wear my poncho. And I probably look like a giant hunchback, which is perfect. I'll look big for any bears that want to eat me. I'm so close. This is the unofficially named Michelle Lakes Pass. It is also the highest point of the Great Divide Trail. Even though I'm only walking section E, it's still amazing to be able to hit this point. It's so close, but yet so far still. The highest point. I guess there's little peaks on each side. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh, up here in cloud 9. Oh, look really wanted to make food up here, but it's horribly windy. I'm so happy I made it. It's raining harder and harder. So I'm pretty motivated to get moving. So I'm just cruising down. Breakneck speeds. Whew. I think I'm going the right way. I'm guessing up that cloudy bit up there. That's the third and final pass of the day. Should be amazing. The rain and overcast and clouds and all that make it for a totally new dynamic. Even if it's a bit wet, it's still absolutely stunning. This valley's insane. Well, I made it. The third pass. I actually went right past it. This is Owen Pass. Now I just have to go down to Owen Creek Trailhead, which is like 11 kilometers of descent. My knees are going to be ruined. But then all I gotta do is hitchhike back to Jasper and I'm drinking beers. Woo! This has pretty much been it so far. I probably went 1 kilometer or so. The valley just gets really, really narrow. It's basically just the creek bed. And it's still really stunning. But it's slippery. And I know I'm gonna eat shit at some point. Oh, this is the shit I love. Wet and wild. It's crazy. It's so beautiful. It's also super dangerous. Woo! This is like the best section of it all. It's so much fun. It's so dangerous. I've fallen 1,000 times. It's crazy. Oh my God, look at some of this shit. I have no idea how far I've come, but I feel like it's just been continuously falling down, so I'm going quick. Woo! Hanging cliffside, diving through thick streams, climbing over slippery rocks, everything, all the best shit. Oh my God, it's beautiful. My fucking legs hurt though. I think my knees are gonna snap in half. God, I hope I'm close. Woo! From the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. 'Cause I got a I hope I get picked up.
Many men try to reach it.